Welcome to in NV Online Classroom. Today we will learn Network Plus Basic Chapter 11 IP Addressing. In this chapter we cover IP addressing concept. Now understand IP addressing. What is the IP? IP, that means the Internet Protocol, is the basic communication language or protocols of the Internet. It can also be used as a communication protocols in a private network, either an Internet or extra network. IP address is the logical address of any computer, and using this address, each and every computer are communicate with each other. Actually, IP addressing has a two type. IP version with IP version 4 and with IP version 6. First of all, we understand the IP version 4. IP version 4 is 32-bit long. Just see on the screen, we write down the IP version 4 in binary format. And we make a 4 part in 32-bit IP version 4 addressing. Each part has 8 bit. Now, convert this binary language to decimal language. For that, first of all, we make one process how to convert the binary to decimal. For that, first of all, just see on the screen there are 8 bit. Each block has 8 bit, and in this 8 bit block, each bit has a one value. Last lower digit value is 1, next value is 2, then third digit value is 4, then fourth digit value is 8, then fifth digit value is 16, then sixth digit value is 32, seventh digit value is 64, and first higher digit value is 128. Now write down this binary format to decimal. For that, just plus this value. Output is produce output is the 8-bit value. Sum of these total value is 255. That means this for this 8-bit value is 255, and 255 is the decimal value of this 8-bit binary format. Now repeat this process on this for 8 block. Just see on the screen. So finally the decimal format is 255.255.255.255. You can see on the screen IP version 4 addressing in binary format and in decimal format, and these are 32-bit long. These are the IP version 4 addressing format. Now we understand IP addressing range. Actually, in networks, basically there are 5 class in IP addressing. Make this class on this IP version 4 using this IP version 4 addressing format. Basically, just see on the screen, there are IP version 4 32-bit format. Write this format in decimal. 255, 255, 255, 255. Now learn how to make a IP addressing. Now learn IP addressing range. For in last lower digit, you go from 0 to 255. second lower digit, you also go from 0 to 255. You can use any value between 0 to 255. Second higher digit, here also you can use any value between 0 to 255. So here make a one block 0 to 255, 0 to 255, and first higher digit, you also use any value from 0 to 255, but we make a 5 block 0 to 127, 128 to 191, 192 to 223, 224 to 239, and 240 to 255. So here for on first higher digit we make a 5 block. And we assign class name of each block. First 0 to 127 block is a class A. Second 128 to 191 is a class B. And third 192 to 223 is the range of the class C. These class A, B and C are used in IP addressing. Next 224 to 239 is the range of class D. And last 240 to 255 is the range of the class E. Here class D and class E are not used in IP addressing. Here class D is used in multicasting range. Here class D is used for multicasting range. And class E are used in experimental purpose. So finally class A, class B and class C are used in IP addressing, and class D are used in multicasting, and class E are used in experimental purpose. So these are the block diagram of IP version for 32-bit address format. In this diagram we use in last 3 digit we use one block 0 to 255, and on first higher digit we make a 5 block between 0 to 255 and assign one class to each and every block. Now understand class A IP addressing. You can see on the screen 32-bit IP addressing, IP version 4 in decimal format. Now we understand class A IP addressing. Just see on the screen, these are the class A IP addressing range. In this range, last 3 lower digit has a 1 block and block size is 0 to 255, and higher digit has a 1 block and block size is 0 to 127. These are the class A IP addressing range. Now we identify network range and host range in this range. Basically, what is the network range and what is the host range?